Attention! This is not a test. This is a real EAS alert. Sacramento mayors have discovered one of My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic characters. And it is Rainbow Dash. She has been crossing the United States with sonic rainbooms for the past 6 hours and has come over Sacramento. She might crash into the city with a sonic rainbow nuke. Just in case if she will. Lock all your doors and hide in bedrooms, bathrooms, or basements for those of you that live in Sacramento. This has been an emergency alert for Sacramento, California only.
This is a test of the Northbrook Comcast Emergency Override System. This test is conducted monthly at this time. If this were an actual emergency situation, you would be given important information through this system. This concludes the test of the Northbrook Comcast Emergency Override System.
You were so close to the 800 wing power minimum. Sorry, Rainbow Dash. We've got to try! You pushed your further limit already. If you break apart again,
just tell me what to do.
Get hurt. You should quit. It's not safe. No, one more time.
I'm breathing
gotta
now.
know we gave it our
What's
all.
next?
I'm going down. I'm going down.
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for all Illinois counties until 10:15 a.m. This is a test message. This is a test tornado warning as part of Illinois Severe Weather Preparedness Week. This is a test message. If this was an actual tornado warning, you would be given information on the location and movement of the storm. This is a test message. This is a communications exercise. Please review your tornado shelter procedures at home, at your place of business, or at your school. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message.
Too nervous to look! Come on! Just a little harder! I can see the water trying to funnel through! 795! They are so close! Fluttershy, they need you up there! I won't make a difference! You can make a difference! My measly 2.3 wind power is still too little! It's sticking at 795! I don't know if they got any more in them! Do it for Equestria! Do it for Rainbow Dash! Do it for yourself! It's moving! She's doing it! 798! She surpassed her best wing power number!
What was that? I think it was Fluttershy.
The National Weather Service has issued a dust storm warning for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal counties, until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. A dust storm warning is issued when winds have generated large areas of blowing dust or blowing sand that have substantially reduced visibilities to 1/4 mile or less, resulting in hazardous driving conditions in some areas. Be ready for a sudden drop in visibility to near zero. Use extra caution and slow down while driving, as objects on and near roadways will be seen only at close range. If you encounter blowing dust or blowing sand on the roadway or see it approaching, pull off the road as far as possible and put your vehicle in park. Turn the lights all the way off and keep your foot off the brake pedal.
500 wind power. 750 wind power. Twilight! Fluttershy! What are you doing here? I figured if I couldn't help Rainbow Dash with the tornado, the least I could do was offer more